Good day. Today is a Father's Day celebrated here in the Philippines and in some parts of the world. God created an earthly father to be a provider, a protector, a leader, and to love his family. No matter what kind of father you have to love, respect, and honor your father. Remember the fourth commandment of God. Honor your father and your mother. Here is my simple poem about father, entitled, Father, I Love You. Kiss and say your father I love you, and say goodbye every time you go out from your home to find a daily pie. Father is known to be a protector, a good provider. Take a few sleep at night, never surrender to give you the best life you dream. No matter who he is and what he is, he gives you life, the best creature that shares a part on the wave on your life. Ignoring his advice, escaping his presence, neglecting his love, insignificant event with your absence will soon haunt your conscience. For life is not all the time on its high flight. Like sunlight, it also takes on and off its light. Capture the best smile and hug for him with love and pride, while life is still beautiful and joyful. Perhaps next time you'll see, he might not be the same person in full. Like the tiny waves of the river flow, it will not go back to its original flow. Thank you, Lord. Tapos na.